1963 Chevy Impala convertible. She got a set of 20-inch spokes and vogues, and she can be purchased with or without the wheels. She has the 409 cubic inch 6.7 liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. Paint is in good condition. Driver side floor pans. Passenger side. Deck lid is in good shape. Trunk nice and clean. Interior is in good shape. Bucket seats, console, floor mounted shifter. Back seat nice and clean. Convertible top functions as it should. Mileage reads a little over 78,000. Upper dash. Lower. Engine bay is nice and clean. She got the 409 cubic inch 6.7 liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic, power brakes, power steering, AC. Let's start her up. Y'all make sure y'all go over and visit rollermuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. We got financing available. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. She's running nice and strong. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one.